Vietnam is a paradise for nature lovers. Halong Bay, with its emerald waters and thousands of towering limestone islands topped with rainforests, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see. A cruise through these mystical landscapes is an unforgettable experience. If you're into trekking, head north to Sapa, where terraced rice fields and ethnic minority villages offer breathtaking views and cultural insights. It's perfect for adventure seekers and those looking to experience rural Vietnam. Down south,